Hello world, Shelly here, and today I want to celebrate a milestone in the history of my channel. I have reached 5,000 subscribers. My channel's a little over 2 years old. It has been a road to get here, and as of today I'm at 5,094 subscribers, and for that I'm doing a giveaway. So I've been collecting things for a few months now to give away when I hit 5,000 subs, and I've hit 5,000 subs. So if you would like to enter this giveaway, I'm gonna make it super simple. Number 1, be subscribed to my channel. Number 2, leave me a comment down below telling me what your favorite animal is. That's it. I will use a random number generator. I will pick 3 winners from the comments section below, and I want this to go to someone who is actively subscribed to my channel. So if your profile is just a placeholder account that you use to sub to giveaways, not gonna win. I'm going to pick actual humans. So make sure you're logged into your actual human YouTube account, and I'm gonna pick 3 winners. So I wanna show you guys what you're gonna get if you win. And first up, I got an awesome donation from a subscriber. Rebecca Lynn Oberstadt runs the online shop Simple Pleasures, and she makes handmade jewelry. And I ordered a couple pieces from her. She has some beautiful Celtic jewelry, and she sent me a ton of handmade jewelry to include in my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. So I will divide these up over all 3 boxes, and everybody will get some stuff from Rebecca's shop, and I will leave the link to her shop down below if you would like to check her things out. The first box is going to be a bunch of things that a lot of these are oily skin kind of products that I've either gotten in BoxyCharms or that I got in my Beautylish box, things like that, that I can't really use because I have normal skin. But first off, I'm going to include a pair of Lularoe leggings. These are brand new leggings in the size 1 size. I have a friend named Judy Brown, and she has, well, she's a Lularoe consultant. She is an outfit assembly genius. She lives in Hawaii, and I will include her card in here if anyone is interested. You should sign up for her Facebook Lularoe page just for the photos that she posts alone. She's always putting up very positive, motivational things, and I buy way too much Lularoe from her. So this is a makeup themed pair of 1 size leggings that will be in box number 1. I've also got the Dr. Brandt Pores No More vacuum cleaner and the Cover FX mattifying primer with anti-acne treatment. Also from Dr. Brandt, I'm putting in here a deluxe sample of the Pore Dermabrasion Exfoliating Cleanser. I love this stuff. I have a few other favorites. I've got a Laura Geller Baked Balance and Brighten Foundation. This is in the shade medium. I have a L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I have, what else is in this box? Foundation. Ooh. I've got a foundation from Lottie London, Selfie Ready. I'm just going to keep it in the little plastic bag because then hopefully it won't bust open in shipping. But this is a foundation that I had picked up on Ulta, and then I actually bought 2 of them accidentally, same color, so my loss, your gain. I'm throwing in the Urban Decay Naked Heat brush because it's the only one that still has the plastic on it, and I don't use these. So they're really good brushes, but I just don't like double-ended brushes because you can't stand them up in your cup without the bottoms getting all flattened. So that's going in there. I got a couple pencils in this box. I have the Fierce Flicks from Ciate London eye pencil and an eye pencil from Cargo. This is the Swimmables waterproof pencil in black. I've got the Bella Pierre eye gel. I have a deluxe sample of the Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara and a deluxe sample of the Tarte Tartist Lash Paint mascara. Laura Geller brush, another one that came with a palette. I have a sample of the Smashbox Photo Finish primer. Good kabuki brush, cruelty-free, vegan, Wet n Wild, love this brush. I have a Lisa Frank Glamour Dolls Stargazing Shimmering Eyeshadow. These are all brand new products. I have not swatched or touched any of them. They are all new and unused. There's a moisturizing velvet matte liquid lipstick from Ola Neon, and from Bliss, the triple oxygen instant energizing foaming mask. So that is box number 1. In box number 2, I've got some hair products and a few of my other favorite things. This is one of my favorite hair product brands. It's from Living Proof. This is the Full Dry Volume Blast Spray. I've also got in here from The One by Frederick Fekkai, the One and Then Some Texturizing Spray. From Project Beauty, I've got some Hair Gurt shampoo for you guys. I have a fiber brow tint from The Brow Gal. I have my favorite eyebrow pencil of the moment. This is the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer Pencil. I'm also popping in there a box of Lash Paradise mascara. I have a highlight from Jouer. This is in the shade Skinny Dip. I've got its plastic still over it. Nothing has been touched or swatched. I have an eyeshadow palette from Cargo. Dun dun dun, Star Wars, it's the light side. Nice eyeshadow palette. I have the light and the dark side myself. So that's box number 2. And box number 3 is my favorite stuff. This is my favorite box. It's like a box of things I love. So, first up, Drunk Elephant. This is the travel size. You'll get about 45 days to 2 months out of these. This is the C-Firma Day Serum and the B-Hydra Moisturizing Gel. The C-Firma Day Serum is like holy grail status for me here. I've also got in here the Kristen Leanne Urban Decay eyeshadow palette. This one was a big surprise. I thoroughly enjoy it. I love the Urban Decay formula anyway, and that palette's a lot of fun. My favorite mascara of all time, Urban Decay Perversion. You will get one of those. You will get my favorite foundation blending brush. This is the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. You will get my current favorite brow pencil, the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer Pencil. You'll also get my current favorite drugstore mascara. This is the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. You will get my favorite bronzer of all time, a L'Oreal Glam Bronze. Yes! My current favorite drugstore highlighter, Physicians Formula Butter Highlight in the shade Pearl. You will get one of my favorite shades of the Kat Von D Studded Kiss lipstick. This is in Cathedral. I've also got in here from The Ordinary the Caffeine Solution, which is wonderful for the under eyes. It's a little bit drying, so I can't really wear it in the winter, but now that springtime is upon us and my skin is behaving a lot better, I'd say my skin's just about normal now. This is working for me again, and I love this stuff. I've also got a sample in here from Oribe. This is the Matte Waves Texturizing Gel. And from Clarins, you will get a deluxe sample of the Gentle Foaming Cleanser, which I love to use with my Clarisonic. There you have it. That's what I'm going to have in the 3 boxes for my 5,000 subscriber celebration giveaway. Again, if you would like to enter the giveaway, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite animal is. Be sure to do that by Sunday night, April 22nd, 2018 at 9 p.m. Eastern. That is when I will select a winner, and within a couple days of that, I'll post in the information box below who won. I will also contact you through YouTube's messaging. If you do not have it set up that you can accept messages, then please include your email address or your handle on Twitter or Instagram or some other way for me to reach you, because I need to be able to reach you somehow. And that's the plan. Thank you guys so much for your comments and your support and your subscriptions and your thumbs up and your constant you make this such a great place for me to devote my energy to, and I thoroughly enjoy talking with you guys in the comments. That is my favorite part of this whole YouTube channel having thing. I really appreciate your support and your comments and just everything. Please feel free to follow me on other socials. That's not part of the giveaway, but if you want to follow me on others, on Snapchat, I typically post things like more of my everyday life, and then when I go shopping you get these sneak peeks of what I have bought, or if I'm filming foundation reviews a few days in advance you get sneak peeks of that stuff. I'm also on Twitter, not as often as on Snapchat or Instagram. Instagram I typically post my makeup looks, and everything gets duplicated over on Facebook. So if you're into any of those socials, please feel free to follow me there. Thanks again. You guys have made this an awesome couple years for me. I have nothing but the highest hopes for a continuing awesome time building this community and just geeking out over makeup. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you guys all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.